How to check Facebook activity log history on Facebook app. So if you want to check the Facebook activity log history on your Facebook app, then first you need to open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook application, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, go with the profile, and go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon. And here you will have activity log. Tap on activity log and it will take you to this kind of interface where you can simply go with public post, public tags, story activity, page likes, following, added friends, video searched, watched, search history, group searched, and everything. So you can simply go with each and every option that you would like, and you can go with personal information. Under your personal information, you will have your profile information. You can manage it, or you can manage your saved information. And here you will have your connections, your friends. You can manage your friends. You can see your friends on your Facebook, friend request, friends you see more or less. Or you can go with followers. You can update your followers or manage them. Or you can go with supervision, and you will have security and login information. And where you're logged in, your login and log out. You can go with the app's websites of your Facebook, or preferences, or logged information. So in this way, you'll be able to check your Facebook activity log history on your Facebook app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.